Pizza and beer and ready. 3 gallons of water are boiling. Herbs are over here. We got a little mugwort. Fresh spring greens. Harvested yarrow. Killia millefolium. Ended up being 1.5 gallons in here. Starts with tea, water, and 3.5 gallons. Water is really hot. We're adding some herbs into the main pot to boil. These will boil. These in here are the steam's covering it. We have tea. It's tea. This is a boil. We have a malt extract ready to go. This is the part that saves time. It's sweet stuff that yeasts will love. And that's the pot. That's all. We're going to warm it up, bring it to a boil, and we're going to leave that in there for an hour. So we got boil. So we turn it down to a simmer. Mellow. Got herb in there. We have oil that's going down to simmer. And we're turning it off. 1 hour of simmering. Everything's added. Say good morning. Everything's cooled down. So it's early morning time. Probably at 70 degrees, maybe 80. But we're going to cool down much more fast when we put it down into the bucket there. One day in, about not quite 24 hours. Yeast was added this morning, so it's been about 10 hours. And the yeasties are yeasting, it's lovely. So we're going to mash it a little bit. Stir it up, make sure the yeast gets in there. Kind of invigorates it, I guess you could say. Light touch. That's all for now. 76 degrees. And it just put the bubbler on. I just put this on right now. And it is alive, to say the least. Those are the yeast bubbles. Okay, so this is the 8th day. And I decided that it's bitter enough, so I'm going to take out all of the rest of the herb that's left in there. And so it should be completed in just a couple of days. So here we are, almost 2 weeks in, and the beer is hanging at 68 degrees, a great temperature. The bubbler never actually bubbled, but that's okay. There's lots of air in there. And it definitely bubbled in there, and just a few pieces of herbs. Bubbles. It slowed way down. I'm going to go ahead and we want to drink a bubbly beer, so it's okay to have a few bubbles. And so I got the equipment ready. We've got a CO2 tank with gauges and prime, and we're going to put all the material in here, which is now all clean. And we're not going to do that quite yet. This is the next stage. We're actually going to rinse this big jug here and settle it. So I've got some iodine rinse in here right now. And so that's where I'm going to rack the yeast off. Settle the yeast out. This extra step of siphoning. I just need to take off the yeast at the bottom and putting it into another clean sterile vessel. In the tank right now. yucky stuff up on the bottom. The glass carboy. Settle here. Settle one more time. It'll be a little cloudy for a day or two. It'll settle out the finished product into the cake. Just a day. A couple of days after extracting the carboy, I'm pouring the siphon here. Take all of this clarified beer and a little bit of sediment at the bottom of